All right, here we have a 2016 Wrangler JK. This area often gets what I refer to as the Jeep dent. I'm going to show you how that dent happens and how we fix it. All right, so Jeep owners enjoy taking the doors off their Jeep. So to do so, one of the steps is to remove this strap from right here, okay? Now, when they reinstall the door, they often forget that they have to reinstall that strap, which allows the door to open into the cowl, causing the Jeep dent. It's a pretty nasty little thing too. So let's see how this goes. Okay, now I'm going to fix it. All right, so I'm at the part in the repair process where I'd wish I used my wife's Jeep instead of my own for this, but overall, things are going well. Okay, here we are, all done. Just playing. I just want to give you a storyline of our progression. As you can see. Okay, back at it. All right, so I'm getting pretty close to being finished. As you can see, I took out the rear view mirror, which is cool because it's just 2 screws on the inside of the door panel, 2 Torx, and you don't even have to disassemble anything, so that's pretty neat. Anyway, so it gave me a better perspective. So I'm going to put everything back together, or I'm going to put the 2 screws back in the rear view mirror and buff the repair and see how it looks. Okay, so I finished up the repair on the Jeep dent. I'm happy with it. Remember to replace the strap on the door when reinstalling so you don't have this dent. However, if you do get a Jeep dent, or any dent for that matter, and you live in the North Jersey area, come visit us at DCH Paramus Honda in Paramus, New Jersey. Just drive right into the service drive and ask for either Bob or Marcus, and we'll be happy to help you out with any dents or dings, or like scratches, wheels, whatever we can do to help as far as auto reconditioning is concerned. I'll be signing off. Go ahead and dent that like or subscribe button, and thanks for joining us.